Managing your money is all about understanding your cash flow and redirecting that flow so you can afford the things you want. To do this, you need to make a budget. This is the most important tool in understanding your finances. So take the time to pull together actual figures and don't just guess. First, record your income streams. How much money do you have coming in from work and investments? Then, organise your expenses. Look at your bills and bank statements. Take note of every little spend and then start putting those spends into categories. For example, think about your living costs, the essential things like rent or mortgage payment, bills, telephone, electricity, transport and your weekly groceries. Look at your social and leisure costs, your play costs. For example, eating out, socialising with friends, hobbies and entertainment. Don't forget to include big one-off items like a holiday, a new TV or even birthdays. Armed with this snapshot of your finances, you can easily figure out where you're spending more than you'd like and redirect cash to areas you'd prefer to see thriving. The question now is, how do I actively manage this cash flow? A popular way to do this is to allocate a percentage of your income to different areas of your budget. As well as having living, 50%, play, 15%, and big things, 10%, you should also have saving and investing, 15%, and your emergency fund, 10%. Your emergency fund should be roughly 3 to 6 months of your salary. Once that's full, you can redirect the excess to one of the other areas. If you can, get into the habit of looking at your finances in this way. You'll have far more control over your money and set yourself up for financial freedom in the future.